Do you know how much of your FERS pension is subject to income taxes? Well, if you don't know, then stay tuned for the answer to this question. Hi, I'm Micah Shilanski, and this is the FERS Federal Fact Check. Today we have a question from Glenn that's writing in about taxes. And Glenn, I appreciate it because it's one of my favorite subjects to go on about is taxes, because it's one of the huge areas you can have improvement in your retirement. But your question has to do with taxes about your pension and how much of your pension is going to be taxed. Glenn asks, forgetting for the moment about my personal contribution over the years into FERS, will the IRS tax my first unreduced monthly annuity or my unreduced monthly annuity minus survivor benefit cost reduction? Example, assume I have a $3,000 a month pension and a $300 a month survivor benefit. Will the IRS withhold taxes on $3,000 or $2,700? Thanks. Glenn, that's a great question. Of course, it's something that's different about retirement than it is while you're working. Some of the deductions that you had while you were working come out pre-tax, and some of the deductions we have while we're retired come out after tax. So let's go through and see how that works. So the first thing you had mentioned was your gross pension is going to be $3,000 a month, unreduced monthly annuity. The first reduction that's going to come out is going to be for survivor benefits. If you leave a full survivor benefit, that costs 10%. So as Glenn was saying, that's $300 a month. That's leaving you $2,700 a month in income. But that's not the only thing that's going to come out of your pension, is it? That's the first potential reduction, but what about deductions? What about health insurance, FEHB? What about life insurance? What about taxes? All of these other things come out of your pension, and we got to keep that in mind, because what do we care about? Do we care about the gross pension or the net? We care about the net, your take-home pay. But in order to figure out taxes, we got to know how much is taxable. So Glenn, good news, the survivor benefit comes out pre-taxed. So the $2,700 in your case is your taxable income per month. Now, to Glenn's point, he did reference that your contributions into the FERS system do come out, so not all of that is subject to taxes. 99% of it is going to be subject to income taxes. So the vast majority, so in our calculations, we just take the full amount, $2,700 is subject to taxes. Then you have other deductions that you need to figure in. Understanding not only how taxes work in your pension, but in your Social Security, in your TSP withdrawals, and your IRA withdrawals are such a huge part about retirement, because you want to make sure you're giving the IRS and paying your full tax bill, but maybe not leaving the IRS a tip. So if that's something that you would like help with or more information about, contact our office. Click the Contact Us button. We'd love to sit down one-on-one for a consultation to go through your benefits and how does it work with you and how are your taxes going to be affected in retirement. Until next time, happy planning.